This is a 4-zone irrigation controller installation tutorial video. Ensure you have the following ready. Note, some accessories are not included in the package. Warm notice. Try to keep Wi-Fi water timer, Wi-Fi gateway, and router close to each other for better experience. Step 1. Get app ready. Connect your phone to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code on the timer surface. Or search RainPoint Home on App Store or Google Play to get it. Register and log in. Submit registration or login with an existing account. Carefully read the instructions on the app's guidance page and log into your account to prepare for the linked devices later. Step 2. Connect the gateway. Power on the Wi-Fi gateway with the Type-C USB cable and place it close to the router and timer. Click Add Device on the app. Select the gateway and follow the app instructions to await the connection. Hold the button until the Wi-Fi indicator flashes blue rapidly. Click Next on the app and the gateway will automatically add it successfully. Step 3. Pair water timer. Insert 4 new AA Alkaline batteries into the battery compartment of the timer. Click the gateway icon on the app to tap Add Device. Tap Add New Devices to add the timer. Select the timer icon to add it. Long press any button until the timer's red light flashes. Click Next to enter the countdown. Add device successfully. Step 4. Installation. Bracket installation. The bracket installed is for supporting heavy-duty machine. Make sure the bracket is facing the correct direction. Screw the supporting part on the back of the water timer. Install Teflon tape and filter. Tighten the water timer onto the faucet. Drill a hole for screwing and attach the brace with the screw. Installed successfully. Step 5. Set watering schedule. There are 3 irrigation modes. Normal irrigation, continuous one-time irrigation, interval irrigation, cooling, dust water saving. Finally is cycle and soak. Plant soaking, irrigation programming, start time, water duration, and water frequencies. Smart plan recommendation. Water efficient schedules based on your plant or soil profile. There are extra functions. 2 ways manual watering. Press water timer's button or app control. The default watering duration is 10 minutes. NOT the valves will work one by one. Please do not set repetitive working times. Rain delay. Save water, prevent overwatering. Seasonal adjustment. Customize watering percentage as needed. Create smart scene. Smart watering adjusts according to weather. Thanks for watching.